What's up, y'all? You already know who it is. It's your boy Mike Thy Maverick. First off, check out the new merch we got. All right, it's not dudes, we kings, because we grown up now. Check it out. Boom, boom. Anyways, on this week's episode of better known as Three Kings Garage, we're gonna do a special feature. Then we're gonna do the front brake pads on this here 2006 Chevy Cobalt. This is the tools we're gonna need. Other than this three-quarter inch standard, yeah, that's for the wheels. You already know what this is for. That's for jacking the car up. Here's your lovely brake pads by Warner TQ. Check it out. You got your clipperoons too. Right here, since we don't have C-clamps, we're gonna be using this compression kit, which you only need usually on Fords, but don't forget to follow us for more. Three Kings Garage. We're just trying to get 1K followers. Other than that, let's get this party going, son. Time for step one. Let's jack this car up, huh? That's probably good. Let's get knee deep in here. Now tighten it. Make sure you tighten it, ladies and gents. Then double check where your jack point's at. Let's raise the guy off the ground. That was a bit sketchy. Do the same to the other side and get all two tires off the ground. And then just keep this on there a little bit tight just to hold some support just in case. Now, let's remove some lugs, NASCAR style. Two bolts, quick and simple. You guys want to know what to use? You're going to use this, bow, and then you're going to use a size 14. You got two bolts on each side to take off. I'll show you where they're located. Okay, guys, right here. Get that out of here. And you're not, you know what I mean? Get off me, dog. There it is. Let's just do this by hand. You ever get those ones that you just like, oh, you know what? I can unscrew this by hand, and then it ends up being stupid difficult. That's what I didn't get there because that was actually really easy. But I'm just telling a story now. So you're gonna take these bolts off, save them, and then pull this guy. Oh yeah, right off. Look at that. That's your caliper. Look at that guy, huh? Real tiny guy, huh? Anyways, look at your pads, because they're trash. Look at this. Look at this. That's not too shabby, but it's trash. There it is. Anyways, take your clips off also. God dang. Oh yeah? Get the tool in there. Yeah, you don't like that, do you? Check that out. Whatever. Now, we compress this to put the new ones on because we're not changing the brake rotors in this scenario. No warpage, but I mean, we could have changed them, but in this case, we're not. So we're just going to replace the brake rotors. First, we got to compress the piston with the piston compressor. All right, so now we're using this piston compressor. This one is what we're going to use for these specific calipers. Take this out, loop this through here, goes on the back there. This clips on the front. Tighten this to where it fits in tightly, and then spin this clockwise to tighten and counterclockwise to loosen. That's how it compresses. Okay, now that you watched that video and you know how to use the caliper compressor, get your tool handy. Stop dying, Chris.
Fail.
Get your tool handy. Bam. Maybe now it's not a fail, right? Sick. Get that guy in there. Tighten her down. Okay.
And now watch, in fast motion, I compress this piston as much as possible. And if you're having a difficult time compressing the piston, pop the hood and take off the cap onto your brake fluid. That way it's less pressure. You might want to do that, but for our case, we don't need to, so I'm not
going to waste my time showing you how to do it. Done. Now, that's fully compressed. We slap the new ones on with our shenanigans, and then we're good. All right, listen here. We got Wagner brake pads. Wagner TQ. Wonder if that stands for torque. Who knows, because you might need more torque if you're going to use these brakes. That doesn't make any sense, but follow me as we open these. Check these out. These are your wear strips. Okay, you can see them on the old ones. They're really clipped in here. So now, let's mimic that. These have wear strips. Get off me. Look at that. Boom. Easy as pie, right? Okay. Set that aside. So, you have one wear strip on each of the front sides, so then put the other wear strip for the other side. Shaploink. Okay. There you go. Now, remember, your wear strip goes on the bottom of each one, okay? So since this is going on this side, this is on the bottom. Boom, boom. Remember that, okay? And before you do that, open your clips and replace those guys because you got new ones. Read your instructions some other time because you're watching my video for a reason, right? Okay. Get below to this. Clips right in. Hella easy when you do it right the first time. We're clear here. Shouldn't have any issue braking with screeches. Son. Alright, let's put these new things in, right? This sucker-majude goes right in here, mate. Yeah, it's right in. This one right in. Really, you would want to lube up specific points on these right here in these clip slots. They didn't give us lube in these a-holes. Look at that. You just got new brakes on now. Look at that. Let's pull back for a picture. Okay. I'm gonna keep that as a video. Sick! Let's move on to the other side, son. There, sucker fool. Now what you're gonna want to do, take your caliper, slide that back right on in, mate. Owie, pinch yourself in the process. Put your screws back in there. Yeah. Let's get multitasking here, huh? All right. Let's tighten these suckers down. Tighten this the same. Okay. Good. Anyways, I'm at this joint. You guys hang out with the car a little bit. See you guys later.